From visitmysmokies.com, it's the Funcast for the end of August and the beginning of September with me, your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Paul Poteet. You ready to dig in? I've got just the device for it. Take a look. I think we could get someplace with that. Have you ever thought about yourself working on a big job site? I know my sons have. My grandsons are really into that. Soon you'll have a chance to do all of that in real life in the Smokies. In Sevierville, it's called the Diggin' Zone Theme Park. And it will be a theme park that allows you to drive and ride and operate real construction equipment. This is going to be a huge hit. It opens up in Sevierville. The planning for this is spring of next year. We've got the story covered in our travel tips section of visitmysmokies.com. The rides will include an excavator that allows guests to sit and swing in a modified bucket. Remember when you used to play Operation, that game with the tweezers and everything? They have a version of Operation using an excavator on dirt instead of tweezers on a body. Here's something else that's coming eventually to the Smokies. Have you heard about Wildwood Grove? It's getting bigger next year. A new ride will take you in search of Big Bear on Dollywood's largest attraction to date, Big Bear Mountain. How is your summer's Smokies bucket list? Does it include Dollywood? Well, they are still open on weekends if you still need to check them off, and on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And next to Dollywood, Splash Country is still open just on weekends, but they're open from 10 to 6. Great way to beat the heat that you will see in a moment here in my forecast. 35 acres of sun-drenched fun as you plunge down Fire Tower Falls or just float down a lazy river or race your family down Tailspin Racer. There are a lot of Ripley's-related activities in the Smokies, but were you aware about Ripley's Davy Crockett mini golf course? 2 uniquely themed golf courses that pay tribute to Tennessee hero Davy Crockett. The mountains are your backdrop while you putter around with your family. On the Visit My Smokies calendar, we've got the Sevierville Farmers Market. That happens downtown Friday morning, 7 to noon. And the Sevier County Fair continues through Labor Day at the Sevier County Fairground. Daily entertainment, rides, and food, of course. We're finishing this fun cast with a nightcap. If you've been hanging out during the day at the island at Pigeon Forge and it's getting late, you'll find the old Smoky Moonshine Barn. How about some shine made right in the Smokies? A little blackberry or apple pie? Of course, your Smoky Mountain meteorologist recommends a little white lightning. Come on. There could be a little bit of lightning and thunder around. Careful on Tuesday afternoon. A cold front moving through. The weather about to turn quieter overall, though, in the Smokies this week. Temps in the low 90s to upper 80s Monday through Wednesday. And then I think we'll start heating up again with a good deal of sunshine. Wednesday and Thursday look really pleasant, too. The humidity kind of low. And it gets a little hotter again and a little muggier. Not too bad for Labor Day weekend. We will have to watch for some scattered showers and thunderstorms on Saturday and Sunday, mainly in the afternoon. So get it done to have some fun outside in the morning with visitmysmokies.com.